Hi everyone, what's up? Today in this video, I'll show you how to format a USB drive to FAT32 on a Windows computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Insert your USB drive into your computer. Step 2. Go to the Windows search bar, type File Explorer, and click Open. Step 3. In the File Explorer window, select this PC from the left-hand menu. Step 4. Find your USB drive in the list of devices. Step 5. Right-click on your USB drive and select Format from the menu. Step 6. In the Format window, select File System to FAT32, then click Start to begin formatting. A pop-up will warn you that all data on the USB drive will be erased. Click OK to confirm. The process will only take a few seconds. Once it's complete, you'll see a message saying the formatting is done. And that's it. You have successfully formatted your USB drive to FAT32. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.